Diversified traceable items and globalized production increase low-quality codes entering the market. Shift to EVs increases complexity of automotive supply chains, raising importance of reliable code reading. Do you have any problems with code reading, such as handling customer complaints about unreadable codes or variation in quality of codes on delivered parts? These are caused by different acceptance criteria because part supplier and finished vehicle manufacturer use different code readers. The solution is to set common criteria for code evaluation. Omron's code verification systems can verify codes to ISO, unlike code readers performing simple quality inspection. Companies in globally expanding supply chains can conduct thorough part-level quality control using the same standards. This enables quick information tracing in case of a recall. Just place the code verification system over a code to verify codes under ISO conditions, distance from code, brightness, and algorithms. Code quality can be verified without being affected by the environment. Codes marked on PCBs and codes printed on paper labels can be verified using the same procedure. Omron also offers inline code verification systems. Verification in production lines enhances handling of returns and complaints and recall avoidance. Ultimately, code verification systems prevent unreadable codes from entering supply chains.